Timmy Agudo and Dodot Montanier. Dodot Montanier on the right, Timmy Agudo on the left. Here we go. Nako, Montanier missed the gate.
Yeah, that's si Dodot.
Montanier missed the gate. Full 2 minutes for Dodot Montanier. Tuloy lang, Timmy Agudo still in good shape.
Sayang si Dodot. Gilang. Sa paman.
Time. 48:66. 48:66. Straight run.
Change na po sila, guys. Change.
So full 2 minutes will be given to Dodot Montanier. Missing the game.
Siya nga to eh. Dot, ang yari Dot. Sana nag-change na yung dalawa, guys. Change lane na yung dalawa.
Okay, second run. Here we go.
Timmy Agudo and Dodot Montanier. Uy.
So far, so good for both drivers. 360. Nakamuna si Dodot Montanier. Timmy Agudo on the chase now here. Mid-circle. Slight understeer by Timmy Agudo. Final stretch. Dodot Montanier's time 43:03. 43:03. Timmy Agudo's time 49:162. 49:162.